Well, the spotlight on student debt continues as 32 million Americans face repayment this summer. Data from Fidelity shows employers are stepping up to help, with many companies introducing benefits to pay back their employees' student loans. And joining us now to discuss in detail is Senior Vice President and Head of Student Debt at Fidelity Investments, Jesse Moore. Hi, Jesse. Thanks so much for coming on the show today.
Hi there. Thanks for having me.
Well, Jesse, when are federal student loan payments resuming, and then what kind of impacts will that have for people with student debt?
So federal student loans have been on pause since March of 2020, and they're set to resume later this summer. What that means is that we're going to have over 30 million people either starting or resuming their payments for the first time in over 3 years. What that's going to do is that's going to put a major strain on personal budgets as well as on loan servicing providers. So I want to make sure that folks both are aware that this is coming, as well as there's some steps that they can take to prepare in advance.
Yeah, Jesse, I mean, 3 years, that's such a long time. So what can people with student loans do to start preparing for repayment?
So I suggest three things. The first is get yourself organized. A lot of things could change in the last 3 years, and one could be your loan servicing provider. And that one's important because that's where you're actually going to be making your payment. So if you have questions as far as how do I make a payment, is this the right payment option for me, and you want to talk to someone, I suggest making those calls now so you avoid the rush that could happen later this summer. The second thing I would do is just test out your plan. Again, a lot of things changed in the last 3 years, but I think one thing we can agree on is that everything today costs more than it did 3 years ago. And with the average payment of average student debt payment of over $450 a month, that's like taking on a car loan, and that could take a big bite out of your budget. What I would do is take your student debt payment amount and just set that aside right now. Put that in like a savings account so you can get a feel for what that's going to be like in your cash flow before you actually have to make payments later this summer. If you need help modeling out your situation or you need other support, we have tools available online at fidelity.com/student debt help. And the third thing I would do is talk to your employer. I know this sounds surprising, but many employers are already leaning in to help with student debt benefits.
Yeah, you mentioned that, the employers. I mean, so there are a lot more employers helping out with this student debt?
There are. So employers have recognized that this is a big challenge for their employees, and they're helping in two primary ways. One, they are directly paying on their employees' student loans. And this hits right to the heart of the challenge, and it helps their employees to pay down their debt faster. In fact, at Fidelity, we've been helping employers with these types of benefits over the last few years, and these benefits are becoming more and more popular. The second way that employers are going to help is by taking advantage of legislation that just passed in December, where they can help their employees save for retirement by crediting their student debt payments towards their retirement match. This is a game changer, and I think it's going to be very popular. In fact, we have many of the employers that we're working with that are planning on making this available when this legislation becomes effective starting next year. So again, I would talk to your employer, see if either types of these benefits are either available now or will be available. Enroll. It can help you to pay down your debt faster. It could also help you save for retirement while you're paying on your student debt.
Jesse, thank you so much for all that great advice and the tools. We'll definitely be checking out the Fidelity website. Thank you so much.